separately.
Yes, and then? Is that how they were forwarded to the forensic science lab?
That's correct, my lord.
Lama swap ke engawaxoxa ke ngawafaka ke ngayodwa futhi ke indlela leyo ahanjiswa ngayo ukuya elab.
Yes, but these were 12 swabs. Were they sent individually or were they put perhaps in one bag?
They were placed inside one bag.
Yes.
Nanjengoba ewu12 uka afakwa ngaphakathi kwesikhwama esisodwa.
And if I can refer to Exhibit X7, which appears on page 8, my lord, of the X bundle. Paragraph 4, can you just put the contents of paragraph 4 on record?
The forensic exhibit bag number PA 4002150 and PA 400215367 and PA 400184074 and PA 400190878 PA 40018422268 and PA 400186061 and a sealed brown A4 envelope was sealed in forensic exhibit bag number PA 30007885535.
Isikhwama ke sobufakazi noma ke sama exhibit esingunumber PA 40021501007 uPA 400215367 no PA 400184074 uPA 400190878 PA 40018422268 PA 400186061 kanye ke envelope ebrown eyayivaliwe ke A4 zafakwa zonke ke kwi forensic bag PA 3007888535.
And if I can also request you to turn to Exhibit X in brackets 8 in bracket Roman figure 7, which appeared on page 15 up to 16 of the Exhibit X bundle, paragraph 16, page 16 thereof, just under 12 swap. Page 16 at the bottom. Can I just have- The information that you've just placed in record, does it accord with what stands there just below sub 12 on page 16?
Yes, madam.
Lokho ngiqeda ukufunda ke nje la ngaphansi ke ku sub 12 kuyahambelana ke naloko kula ku page 16.
So in brief, Warrant Officer Mosia, all the swaps that you took from swap 1 up to 12, they were all placed in one forensic exhibit bag
That's correct.
and marked with the number that you've just placed on record.
That's correct, madam.
Okusho yilokho ukuthi bonke ubufakazi ke engabuthola ke noma baqoqwa khona lapha yana ke bathathwa bonke ke bafakwa ku exhibit bag eyodwa enale number engiqeda uyifunda.
And before we proceed, yesterday you mentioned that the exhibits that you collected during the night were also packaged.
That's correct, my lord.
Nokuthi ke
That
noma
is now the
exhibit
crutch, the hat, and the bullet jacket.
It's only a bullet jacket and a hat, my lord.
Yes.
kwaku inhlamvu ke noma ke
Yes.
ijacket yenhlamvu kanye futhi nesibhoko ke hayi i-crutch.
Yes. How were they packaged? How were they packaged? How were they marked?
Bullet jacket was marked. Bullet jacket was marked A1, exhibit A1.
I-bullet jacket yona ke imakwe nanjengo A1.
Yes, but how was it packaged?
It was placed inside a forensic bag.
Yes, just give those details. Place them on record. The evidence bag number. You can have a look at SAP 459, the original barrel.
Thank you, thank you.
That's
A bullet jacket was packaged inside
this exhibit X4, my lord.
PA 500 1499 102.
Yona ke i-jacket leyo yenhlamvu yafakwa ke noma kwisikhwama sobufakazi esiwu-PA 5001499
Yes.
And a hat, I packaged the hat in and placed it inside a brown envelope.
Sona ke isigqoko ngasifaka ke kwi-envelope e-brown.
And I placed it inside the main bag PA 30007885535.
Ngase ngisifaka ke kuyona ke le ewu-PA 3007888535.
Yes, but it would have been packaged individually first. Is that correct? The hat.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yes.
Kodwa saqala ke isigqoko safakwa sodwa.
Yes. What is the exhibit bag number wherein you place the hat?
Is the main bag PA 3007888535.
Ngasifaka ke kulesi sikhwama esikhulu ke esiwu-PA 3007888535.
If I can ask you to look at SAP 459 exhibit X4. There. What is that first item there?
First item is a hat, my lord.
Yes, and what is the exhibit bag number?
It's PA 300762408.
Inamba yakhona ke PA 300762408. Noma i-evidence bag la isigqoko safakwa khona.
You've already referred to the evidence bag wherein you place the bullet jacket. Right?
The bullet jacket bag number is PA 50014992110.
Lena ke yafakwa i-bullet jacket kwaku-PA 50014992110.
Thank you. We'll come back to exhibit X4 in a while. Right, just to continue from where you left off yesterday, you indicated that after collecting all the swabs and placing them in one evidence forensic bag, as we've just testified now, you began with further investigation by searching the crime scene. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngifila kuma siqedele izolo ukuthi sathi uma sesiqedile ke noma seniqedile ngabo konke ubufakazi sathi siqhubeka ke ngokuphenya kwisimo.
Yes, you can continue.
I was in page photo 123, which indicates the kitchen door inside the house with an arrow sticker pointer indicating a bullet hole on the seal.
Usithombe ke u1 2 3 sona ke sikhomba ke isipapa sasekitchen ngaphakathi ke kwendlu esine sticker esibekiwe khona lapho esikhombisa ke imbobo yenhlamvu khona kwisimo.
Yes.
Photo 124 indicates the kitchen top with 2 glass jars and other kitchen items.
Bese kuthi ke isithombe u1 2 4 sona ke sikhombisa ke itop yakhona ke ikitchen nama jar amabini ke eglass kanye nokunye ke kwasekitchen.
My apologies, my lord. On the photo album for this witness, 124 depicts the car and the house. On the
Sorry,
photo.
Mushasha, we are on exhibit D. Sorry.
We're on exhibit D.
Yes.
Okay, and then 124 is also a house in Mhlashl's photo album.
Now he said he's going to use Moshasha's
Mushasha's, yes.
album.
Album.
Photos, yeah.
Oh, my lord, I thought he was referring to photo number 1 to 4 of Mhlashlo.
No. Okay.
It's like that one.
Okay.
It's Council's exhibit D.
Photo 125
Yes.
indicates the 2 glass jars on the kitchen top, the unit top, with exhibit number 1 placed on both jars.
Bese kuthi isithombe u1 to 5 sikhombisa ke lama jar amabili ke khona ke ku unit top yasekitchen kanye ke nobufakazi noma exhibit 1 ebekwe kuona omabili lawo majar.
Just before you proceed, Warrant Officer Mosia, you explained that you started with further investigation. Can you just explain what did that entail? The further investigation that you are referring to.
Upon searching for other exhibits on the crime scene, together with crime scene management,
Yes.
we managed to find the projectile on that kitchen top.
Sathi mase siqhubeka ke nokuphenya ke kanye ke nalaba ke be nethimba lelo elalikhona sabe sesithola ke iprojectile kuyona ke lelo top
Yes.
ebonisiwayo ke lapha esithombeni.
You've just referred to photo 123 on exhibit D, the bullet hole.
That's correct, yes.
Yebo ngikhulumile ke ngale mbobo ekhona ke yenhlamvu ke lesithombe esi 1 2 3.
Now, what did you and your team do as a result of that bullet hole? What did the further investigation entail?
We noticed that the bullet did not penetrate the door.
Uma sesibona ke yona ke leyo mbobo leyo ke yenhlamvu esakubona ke ukuthi inhlamvu ayizange ingene esicabheni.
And we traced and searched on the kitchen top, and it is where we found the bullet, the projectile.
Sabe sesibheka ke silandela ke khona ke kuleyo top lena eveziwe ke khona lapha ila esayithola khona ke iprojectile.
Now, who was present when this projectile was found?
I was with Colonel Mhlahlo and Colonel Matiza from Crime Scene Management and Captain Matebula from Springs LCRC office.
Ngangikanye naye uKenneth Mhlahlo, uKenneth Matiza, uCaptain Matebula ngathi ke itholakala.
I think the captain from Phosphorus was Captain Zwan.
Kanye ke no Captain ose Phosphorus kwaku Captain Zwane.
Yes, you may proceed. You were on photo 124.
I'm now in photo 125.
125. Sorry.
Indicates the 2 glass jars on the kitchen unit top with exhibit number 1 placed on both jars.
Kusithombe ke u125 ilamajaki ababili ke asekitchen kuyona ke itop enaye ke exhibit 1 kuwona omabili.
Photo 126 indicates the exhibit 1 placed where the 2 jars were removed from on the kitchen top. A bullet hole indicated by arrow sticker.
Bese kuthi ke isithombe u126 isikhombisa ke la khona ke ufakazi noma exhibit 1 abekwe khona la amaja amabili asuswa khona ke kuyona ke i-kitchen top kanye ke nembobo ke yenhlamvu ekhonjwe ngayo i-arrow noma isticker se-arrow.
Photo 127 indicates the close-up photo of a projectile found behind the 2 jars marked exhibit 1.
Bese kuthi ke u127 ke isithombe sondeziwe ke sayo ke i-projectile eyatholakala emuva kwalamaja amabili eyase iphawulwa ke exhibit 1.
And photo 128
Yeah, just a minute. What is it that we see there on photo 127?
it's a projectile, my lord.
Le ebonakalayo ke la kulesithombe u127 i-projectile.
Marked exhibit 1.
Yase imakwa ke exhibit 1.
And photo,
You say it was found after the jars were moved.
that's correct, ma'am.
Iyatholakala ke uma lamaja esesusiwe.
And photo 128 indicates exhibit 1 projectile and a brown envelope marked exhibit 1 on the kitchen unit top.
Bese kuthi ke u128 yena ke sikhombisa ke i-projectile kanye ke ne-envelope ebrown emakwe ke u-exhibit 1 kuyona ke i-top yase-kitchen, i-unit top.
Photo 129 indicates the packaged brown envelope with exhibit 1 projectile inside forensic evidence bag number PA500208782 on the kitchen unit top.
Bese kuthi lesi ke isithombe yila khona ke i-envelope esifakwe phakathi kwi-forensic bag enale number ewu500208782 kuyona ke i-kitchen top.
Photo 130 indicates the close-up photo of forensic evidence bag PA500208782 with exhibit 1 inside.
Lesi ke isithombe sondeziwe esalesi besiqeda usifunda ke esisanele ke forensic bag number.
Photo 130 indicates the close-up photo of forensic evidence bag PA500. Yes.
You're repeating it.
Photo 131. Yes, you've already placed.
Photo 131 indicates the arrow pointing sticker showing a bullet hole on the door.
Bese kuthi ke isithombe lesi u131 sona ke sisikhombisa ke i-arrow epointayo ke noma ekhombayo ke ekhomba inhlamvu imbobo yenhlamvu sona isicaba.
Photo 132 indicates a bullet hole on the kitchen tiled floor with a measuring sticker.
Bese kuthi ke u132 usikhombisa ke imbobo ke yenhlamvu phansi kuthayela ekitchen futhi ke enestika esokume.
Photo 133 indicates a Smirnoff
Yes.
250 milliliter can.
Yes, you've already dealt with it. That's part of the swabbing that we did.
That's correct, ma'am.
Bese chaziwe noma sekhulunyiwe ke ngale yeSminoff yena bekusetshenzwa ngayo ukubheka ubufakazi kuyona.
Now, what happened then after the process that you described at photo 130,
after it was packaged.
Package, yes.
Then we were done with forensic exhibit investigation. Then we moved to we moved for investigation of fingerprint.
Bese siqedile ke uma ngaba ipackagewe noma isifakiwe ke ngaphakathi ke umva kokuthi la project type itholakele sase sibhekwa ke manje ama fingerprint.
Yes, and who was the custodian of that exhibit 1? Who took control of that exhibit 1?
I took control of exhibit 1, my lord.
Exhibit wami ke waba noma ke wagcinwa imini.
Yes, you can continue. What happened with the fingerprint investigation?
Colonel Mhlahlo was responsible for fingerprint investigation. He managed to find some prints from the door. I'm not sure which bedroom was that, but we managed to find fingerprints on the bedroom door, which was facing the kitchen.
Colonel Mhlahlo uyena ke owayesebenza noma wayenza uphenyo lama fingerprints khona ke istabha sekamera ke elibhekene nekhishi la ekwatholakala khona ama fingerprints.
Yes, is it reflected in any of the photo albums?
From photo 137,
Usithombe 137
it indicated the measuring tape from the floor of the house
ile tape ke abakala ngayo ke ukusuka phansi ke endlini
to determine the distance between the distance to describe the position of the print.
Ukubheka ke futhi nokuthi ichaze ibheke ibanga buzochaza ke nokuthi iprint yayi kanjani.
And photo 138 and 139 to 143.
Ukusuka kusithombe ke u138 uyofika ke kusona u143
indicating the fingerprints we developed on the bedroom door, my lord.
ama fingerprints ke sawathola ke kusona ke leso siqapha leso sekamera lokulala.
Yes, you may continue.
I think that is it.
Ukangako ilokho.
Now, what happened after the fingerprint investigation?
After a fingerprint investigation, I think we were now done with our crime scene.
Emuva ke kwalelo phenyo ke lama fingerprints sase siqedile ke thina.
And I guess we departed from the crime scene after 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Cabanga ukuthi uma sesihamba lapho ke kwakusemuva ko2 emini.
And I went straight to the office in Springs. Then, since it was in the afternoon, I placed all the exhibit inside my lockable safe in my office.
Njengoba kwakusemini ke ngiye khona ke ngahamba ngayo office eSprings ngokuthi kwakusemini ke ngase ngithatha konke ke lokho engangizenako nobufakazi ngafaka ke safe yami ekhiwayo
Because the exhibit clerk was no longer there.
ngokuthi ke iclerk esebenza ngawo ke ama exhibits yayise ingekho.
And the following day,
Just before you proceed, besides yourself, is there any other person who has got access to this lockable safe?
no, except the exhibit clerk.
Ngaphandle kwami ke akekho umuntu ongakwazi ke ukuthi avuleke kuleyo safe ngaphandle kwayo ke iclerk yama exhibits.
Yes.
And in the morning of the 28th of October 2014, at about 8:30 in the morning, I booked all the exhibits in the SAP 459 with reference 311 stroke 10 stroke 2014.
Kwase kuthi ke ngelanga elilandelayo ke nge-28 October 2014 ngo-8:30 isikhathi ekuseni ngase ngibhuka ke onke lama exhibits kule ncwadi ke ebizwa ngokuthi i-459 enale number 311
Stroke 10 stroke 2014.
stroke 10 2014.
Yes. You're now referring to Exhibit 4, is that correct? Extract of the SAP 459.
That's correct.
Khuluma ke ngale ncwadi ke abayibiza ngokuthi i-459.
And he's sitting with the original of SAP 459.
That's correct, ma'am.
I-original yayo ke lena ilabhalwa khona ke izinto ezifakwayo noma ekhishwayo.
Yes, can you place that on record? All the columns, the information on all the columns,
All the columns
starting with the first
appearing
column.
on the 459 were booked by me.
Yes.
And on the 30th
Yes,
of
before we proceed, Warrant Officer Mosia, just place all the information appearing on the columns, starting with the information on column 1.
then column 1, it's a SAP 459 reference. Number.
Lana ke ku column 1 kunale number ke ebhaliwe laphana iyona ke i-reference yayo ke i-459.
And the LCRC office springs with a reference number 1237 of 10/2014.
Bese kuba ke ne Springs LCRC 1237/10/2014.
In column 2. And Phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014.
Bese kuthi ke kubhalwe ke Phosphorus case u636 ka10/2014
And the charge murder on column 2 as well.
kanye futhi ke necala olithweswayo ke noma ke icala ke elaliphenywa ubulala.
Yes.
Column 3 indicates evidence, forensic evidence bags which were packaged on the crime scene. And the first one is PA 300762408.
Bese kuthi ke lana ku column 3 ilama bags ke obufakazi aye hlanganisiwe ke khona ku scene elokuqala ke uPA 300762408.
And the second one is
And what is that? What was inside that forensic exhibit bag? Just read column 3 and 4 together.
it's PA 300762408.
Yes.
Was a
and-
brown envelope with a head inside.
Lana ke kule number ke fundiwe ke noma kulesikhwama sobufakazi esuPA 300762408 kwaku envelope ke eyayinesigqoko ngaphakathi.
And PA 50014992110. It's a bullet jacket.
Bese kuthi ke kwisikhwama ke sobufakazi esuPA noma esine number ewuPA 50014992110 sona ke ilesi esasinale bullet jacket eyodwa.
And PA 500200877 in column 4, it's a bullet core inside.
Bese kuthi ke isikhwama sobufakazi esuPA 50020087782 ilo ngaphakathi ke sona ke sasinaloko kusibizwa ngokuthi ke icore yebhulu yenhlamvu yebullet.
And PA 40018601661 contained two swabs.
Bese kuthi ke uPA yena PA 400186061 wayena amaswap amabili ke amaswap la asetshenziswayo ke uma kubhekwa noma kufuna ubufakazi.
Though I cannot be able to to explain the evidence swaps, then I must
Yes,
thoroughly check which one is which.
okay.
And then the other back number was PA 4002153 697, my lord.
Bese kuthi eyesibili-ke u-PA 40021533697.
And it was packaged. There was two swaps also containing in the forensic bag.
Naphakathi kusona-ke leso sikhwama-ke okunamaswap amabili.
And PA 40019088078 was also two swaps inside.
Kanye-ke nesikhwama-ke esasiwu-PA 40019088078 naso esinamaswap amabili.
And another bag number PA 4001841741754 with two swaps.
No PA 4001841741754 nalapho-ke amaswap amabili.
And PA 40018422268 also two swaps.
No PA 40018422268 nalapho-ke amaswap amabili.
And forensic bag 300082686 contained two Heineken, the two cans, which were Heineken and a Smirnoff ice tins.
Bese kuthi-ke isikhwama-ke sona esiwu-PA 3008268663 sasinamakana amabili ele Heineken kanye-ke nele Smirnoff.
Were collected, both cans were collected for touch DNA.
Omabili-ke lawo makani lawo athathwa ukuthi kubhekwe-ke lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ama-DNA okuthathwa noma okubambayo.
And column 5 indicates the date 28th of October 2014 and time 08:30 a.m. as the date and time I booked the exhibit inside 459.
Bese kuthi-ke u-column 5 yena-ke uchaza i-date ekwakuyi-28 ka-October 2014 isikhathi 08:30 i-date kanye nesikhathi-ke engabhala ngazo konke lokhu engikufundile ngikubhala kuyona le ncwadi abayibizwa ukuthi i-459.
And my signature appear on column 5.
Ngase ngisayinda-ke kuyena u-column 5.
And column 6 is a reason for disposing the exhibit was biology and ballistic.
Bese-ke ku-column 6-ke kuyachazwa-ke imbangela noma isizathu sokuthi-ke kuthathwe lokhu okwathathwa-ke kubhaliwe laphayana-ke i-biology, i-ballistic.
And on column 7, it indicates the time and the date I booked all the exhibit for processing.
Bese kuthi-ke kuyena-ke u-column 7 isikhathi kanye ne-date engathi-ke ngabhuka noma ngakhipha ngawo-ke lama-exhibit ukuthi kuzosetshenzwa ngawo.
Yes, just put the date on record.
The
on
date,
column 7.
the date for booking out was 2014 October 30,
Kwakuyi-30 zika-October 2014
and it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
isikhathi ku-8 ekuseni.
And my signature for booking out the exhibits appears on column 7.
Ngase ngisayinda-ke ukuthi-ke imina-ke owayikhipha.
And on the same date, I forwarded all the exhibit to FSL for analysis after processing the exhibits.
Kwase kuthi ngalelo langa lelo-ke ngakuthumela bonke-ke lobo bufakazi lobo kuyona-ke i-FSL ukuthi bazohlaziya-ke emuva kokuthi ngase ngiyikhiphile-ke ngasebenza ngazo.
What is the procedure when you send exhibits to the forensic science laboratory? Is there any correspondence that must accompany such exhibits?
I prepared the covering minutes that must accompany the exhibit, indicating the type of investigation required and the case number and the station must appear on the covering minutes.
Yes.
Uma sengithumela ke lokho bufakazi ke ukuthi ke bezokuhlaziya ke khona ke engikulungisela noma ekhamba nako esithi ke ama minutes la uchaza khona ke imbangela ukuthi yini office noma inefisa ukuthi bayiphenye istation la isuka khona kanye futhi ke ne case number.
Can I then ask you to turn to exhibit X5, which appears on page 5 of the exhibit bundle? X. Can you just explain what is that exhibit?
This exhibit is the requesting form or a letter that accompanies the exhibit to FSL.
Lapha ke exhibit X5 lona ke iyona ke lencwadi ke ekhapha ke ubufakazi noma ke ama exhibit lana atholakele ke uma sengwathumela ke kwi FSL.
Yes, just put the contents on record. So who compiled that letter?
It's me.
Imina ke owayibhala ke lencwadi yesicelo.
Yes.
And there is a phosphorus case number and the name of the person inquiring, which was me,
Yes.
and the address where I work and the fax number.
Lana ke imininingwane yeqala umuntu lona ke owayenza isicelo kwakuyimina ke.
Yes, and the date?
And the address where I work appears on the right with the date in which I prepared or processed the exhibit, my lord.
Kanye futhi ke nekheli la engisebenza khona kanye ke futhi ke ne date ke zokhipha kwami ke ubufakazi lobo.
Yeah, just place the date on record.
The date was the 30th of October 2014.
Kwakungeyi-30 zika October 2014.
Yes, and the addressee? To whom is the letter addressed?
The letter was supposed to be sent to Forensic Science Laboratory.
Kwakufanele ukuthi ke lokhu kuthunyelwe ke kwi laboratory ke noma ke kwi lab.
Yes, and who was copied in the correspondence? Who was copied? The information is per B.
I prepared everything.
Yes. Yes.
Mina ke owayenza noma ke owabhala konke.
Yes, but there by B, who was copied?
Or the unit commander for Phosphorus, detective in Phosphorus.
Kanye futhi ke naye ke wase eshiwo ke noma ke ngichaza ke unit commander wakhona wama detectives khona ePhosphorus.
Yes. You can continue. The heading?
Exhibits for analysis, charge, it's a murder, and Phosphorus, case 636 of 10/2014, and Springs, LCRC, reference 1237 of 10/2014.
Imininingwane ke leyana ukuthi ke ubufakazi lokho kufanele ke bubhekwe noma kuhlaziywe ke icala eliphenywayo ukubulala ePhosphorus case 636/10/2014 Springs LCRC 1237/10/2014.
And on the 2014 October 26 at 2300 hour 55 minutes, Constable Mosia reported on standby duty at Springs LCRC Center and received a request to attend a scene of crime.
What is 26 October 2014 23:55 ebusuku uConstable Mosia was waye ku standby waya khona ke eSprings LCRC wase ethola ke isicelo sokuthi ayeke kwindawo ekwakunesigameko khona.
On the 27th of October 2014 at 00 20 minutes AM, Constable Mosia arrived at the scene of crime at house number 13511 Kutlanong Street, Mzamo section, extension 11 in Vosloorus, where an alleged shooting incident took place, and conducted an investigation through photograph forensic investigation, collected exhibits and marked as follow.
Kwasekuthi nge-27 October 2014 isikhathi ngo-12 ebusuku 12 ebusuku uConstable Mosia wafika-ke kwindawo yesigameko kwindlu ewunumber 13511 eKutlanong Street eMzamo section extension 11 Vosloorus la ekwakuthiwa khona-ke kwakunesehlakalo sokudubula khona esenzeka wabe eseqala-ke uphenyo lwakhe ngazo iy'thombe uphenyo lwama-forensic wase futhi eqoqa-ke nobufakazi wamaka noma ngale ndlela elandelayo.
Exhibit A1 indicates a bullet jacket from the kitchen floor, collected, packaged, and sealed in an exhibit bag PA 50014999210.
Asekuthi-ke u-A1 yena-ke kwakuyi-bullet jacket eyatholakala-ke phansi ekitchen yase iqoqwa-ke yase ifakwa-ke ivalelwa-ke kwisikhwama sobufakazi esiwu-PA 50014999210.
Exhibit 1, a projectile found from the kitchen cabinet top, collected, packaged, and sealed in an exhibit bag PA 50020877882.
Bese kuthi-ke exhibit 1 yena-ke i-projectile eyatholakala-ke kuyona-ke kulona ikhabethe lasekhishini laseliqoqwa-ke lafakwa-ke kwavalwa-ke kwisikhwama sobufakazi esiwu-PA 50020877882.
The forensic exhibit bags number PA 50014999210 and PA 50020877882 were all sealed in forensic exhibit bag number PA 500342715J.
Lamabheki-ke obufakazi-ke uPA 50014999210 kanye noPA 50020877882 ase evalwa-ke kuyona-ke ibag noma-ke isikhwama-ke esiwu-PA 500342715J.
Exhibit A1 and 1 to be examined.
Yes, read paragraph 4.
Please do the following investigation.
Cela-ke nenze lo phenyo olulandelayo.
Exhibit A1 and 1 to be examined for IBIS and to be kept for later possible comparison.
U-exhibit u-A1 kanye-ke no-1 ukuthi babhekweke noma bahloleke bebhekelwa-ke i-IBIS nokuthi bagcinwe-ke ukuthi kamuva-ke noma emuva kwesikhathi-ke kuzoqhathaniswa.
Can you just explain what is IBIS, just in brief? What process is that?
No, I cannot
Yes,
be able to explain.
Yeah, what is the nature of the investigation that is required?
Is to determine the type of the type of firearm or a bullet which was used,
Uchaza-ke u-IBIS ukuthi-ke ubheka-ke uhlobo lwesibhamu noma-ke inhlamvu eyasetshenziswa.
Yes, thank you. Yes, you may proceed.
please supply this office as well as address B with an acknowledgement of receipt. The
But-
invest-
You can read.
The investigating officer in this case is Lieutenant Zwane of Vosloorus Detectives, and the cell phone number 082.
Kwase kuthi ke noma becelwa ukuthi sicela naziseke le office leli ke ukuthi nje ufakazi ke ukuthi ngempela ke nakuthola lokhu nokuthi ke umseshi noma umphenyi wecala kwaku Lieutenant Zwane wase Phosphorus Detectives.
And Colonel Matiza,
That's fine. So these were the ballistic exhibit for ballistic examination.
that's correct, man.
Kwaku ufakazi ke lokho kwakufanele ke kuhlolwe noma kubhekelwe ama ballistic noma ke okuphathelene nezibhamu.
If I can ask you then to turn to Exhibit X7, which appears on page 7 of the Exhibit X bundle.
Yes, I have. Man.
Yes. You can just put the essence of Exhibit X7 on record.
Is the cover minute that accompanies exhibits to biology section, FSL.
Lana ke ila noma ke ile ncwadi ke noma exhibit ekhapha ke ama exhibit la uma ehamba ke noma ethunyelwa khona ke eFSL.
You can just read paragraphs 1 and 2 into the record.
On the 26th of October 2014, at about 23:55, Constable Mosia reported on standby duty at Springs Local Criminal Record Center and received a request to attend a scene of crime.
Yes.
On the 27th of October 2014 at about 00:20 minutes, 00 20 minutes AM, Constable Mosia arrived at the scene of crime at house number 13511 Kutlanong Street, Mzamo section, extension 1, Phosphorus, where an alleged shooting incident took place, and conducted an investigation through photograph, forensic investigation, collected exhibits and marked as follows.
Ngai 26 zika October 2014, 23:55 uConstable Mosia owaye ku standby ke wase eyake emsebenzini eSprings LCRC wase ethola khona ke isicelo ukuthi aye kwindawo ekwakunesigameko esenzeka khona. Ngai 27 zika October 2014, 12 ebusuku uConstable Mosia wafika ke kwindawo yesigameko kumuzi onenumber e13511 Kutlanong Street, Mzamo section, extension 11 ePhosphorus, la kwakuthiwa khona ke kunesigameko sokudubula esenzeka wase enza ke uphenyo lwakhe ngazo izithombe nokuthwebula izithombe uphenyo ke lama forensic wase eqoqa ke ubufakazi wakumaka.
Yeah, if you can also put paragraph 3, the contents of paragraph 3 on record to just above SWAP 1.
On the same date, the 27th of October 2014, at about 10:05, Constable Mosia carried out the forensic investigation on the scene of crime, collected swabs, different areas, and marked as follows.
Kwase kuthi nge 27 zika October 2014 isikhathi ke ngo10:05 uConstable Mosia wase enza uphenyo lwakhe ke lama forensic kuyona ke indawo yesigameko wase futhi ehlanganisa ke nama swabs kuyindawo ezahlukeneke wawamaka ngalendlela elandelayo.
Yes, yesterday you testified as to how you marked the exhibit. Is it? You confirmed it?
That's correct.
Bengishilo ke izolo ukuthi uma ngiwamaka ke lama exhibit ngenza kanjani.
If you can just go to paragraph 4. Just put the contents on record.
The forensic exhibit bags number PA 40021 50107, PA 40021 53697, PA 40018 40754, PA 4001908 078, PA 40018422268 and PA 40018606161 and sealed brown A4 envelope were sealed in forensic exhibit bag number PA 30007885535.
Le ikhwama ezilandelayo ke zokufakazi ke uPA 40021500107, PA 40021533697, PA 40018400754, PA 40019080878, PA 40018422268 no PA 400186061 kanye ke envelope ke ebrown eyayivaliwe zafakwa zonke ke kwi forensic bag enenamba ewPA 3007888535.
Yes, paragraph 5.
Please do the following investigation.
Cela nenzeke lo phenyo olulandelayo.
Exhibit B and swaps 1 to 12 to be examined for any possible DNA and to be kept for later comparison.
Isicelo ke sasithi ke uexhibit B kanye naye ke uswap 1 kuyofika ke kuswap 12 ukuthi bahlolwe ke behlolelwa ke wona ke lona ke ulibo futhi noma ke iDNA nokuthi izigcinwe ke ukuthi kamuva ke kuzoqhathaniswa.
And to whom was this letter addressed?
To the Forensic Science Laboratory in Biology.
Yona ke incwadi lena ke yayibhalwa ke noma ithunyelwa ke kwi lab ke forensic science.
Right, now having compiled the correspondence as per exhibit X7 and X5, what did you then do thereafter?
And then I transported all the exhibits to FSL.
Ngase ngikuhambisa ke konke ke lokho emuva kokuthi le incwadi lezi ngizenzile noma ngiyibhalile ke ngihambisa ke ama exhibits lawo ngibasa eFSL.
And I
Just put that on record. What does FSL stand for?
Forensic Science Laboratory, my lord.
Kuyona ke ngihambisa kuyona ke ilab.
Yes. Yes, what happened further?
And I handed the exhibit by hand.
Nganikeza ngawo ke lawo ama exhibit lawo ngesandla.
Yes, and where did you start?
I started here in biology section
Ngaqala kuyona ke ingxenye noma isection ke yebiology
and went to ballistic.
ngase ngiya ke la basebenza khona ngeibham eballistic.
Now, what happened when you handed in the exhibits at the biology section at the Forensic Science Laboratory?
I received the acknowledgement of received.
Uma ngifika ke khona lapho ke kule unit noma section ke biology ngathola ke okuyinkomba noma okufakazi ukuthi impela ama exhibits lawo bawathola.
If I can ask you to turn to exhibit X9, which appears on page 17 of exhibit X bundle. Can you just identify exhibit X9?
It's items delivered by hand for forensic examination. It's a receipt of acknowledgement of receipt copy.
Icopy ke lena echazayo ukuthi impela kama exhibits lana bawathola.
Yes.
Then
Paragraph 7, just place the particulars as per paragraph 7 on record. The evidence seal number.
evidence seal number PA 30007885535.
Lana ke in the evidence bag PA 3007888535.
Yes. You've already referred to exhibit X in brackets 8, Roman figure 7, on page 16 thereof.
16.
Yes. That seal number on that exhibit back number, does it accord with the one on the acknowledgement of receipt?
Yes, yes, they do, man.
Number eyodwa ke lena ihambelana ke le number ekulana kule receipt la abavumayo khona ukuthi ufakazi bathola nala ku page 16.
Yes, and if I can ask you to turn back to exhibit X9, the particulars of the deliverer.
The name Mosia, rank is constable, parcel number 706101334.
Thank you, that's yourself.
That's me.
Okay, and the date?
And the date was the 30th of October 2014.
Lana ke imininingwane yalowo owaletha ke noma owahambisa ke ufakazi ebisakhona lapha umusiya imina ke lowo iPesal kanye idate kwakuyi 30 zika October 2014.
And particulars of the case, as per paragraph 1.
It's for phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014.
Phosphorus case 636 ka 10/2014.
Yes, and the
And
offense.
it's an offense, it's murder,
Icala ukubulala.
and the remarks is biology. The total number of parcels, it was one parcel.
Nokuthi ke icala kwakubulala ukuthi ke konke lokho kwakwenzelwa ke ibiology ukuthi ama parcel ayimangaki yayiyodwa.
Okay, now after handing in this exhibit at the biology section of the forensic science laboratory, what happened? Where did you proceed to?
I went back to work in Springs.
Uma sengidlulisile noma sengikhamisile ke lokho ngabuyela ke emsebenzini eSprings.
No, no, remember you said you started at the biology section. What happened thereafter?
I went to Silverton ballistic forensic science laboratory.
Uma ngisuka lana ke ngaya ke eSilverton la abasebenza khona ke ngeibham noma ama ballistic.
Yes.
And to hand in the exhibits for ballistic.
Ukuthi ngiyofaka ke noma ngiyoshiya lapho ke ubufakazi ke ekwafanele buhlolwe ke.
Yes, can I ask you to turn to exhibit X6 of the exhibit X bundle? It's also on page 6 of the bundle.
Yes, I have it, my lord.
Yes, can you just identify that document?
The items delivered by hand for forensic examination for ballistic.
Ilapha ke kuyachaza ke uma sengifika khona ke ballistic ukuthi ke yini ke eyayilethiwe ke ilethwe ngesandla ukuthi kuzohlolwa kuhlolelwa yona ke ama ballistic.
And the station phosphorus case number 636 of 10/2014.
Isiteshi use phosphorus case number ube 63610 ka 2014.
And the offense is murder,
Uqala ukubulala.
and the remarks is ballistic. And the total number of parcels is one parcel.
Ukuthi ama parcel ayimangaki ke kwakuyi parcel eyodwa nokuthi ke lokho kwakwenzelwa ke ama ballistic.
On paragraph 7.
And the evidence seal number is PA 5000342715J.
I number ke yalo ke iparcel lelo noma ke ibag leyo ubufakazi kwaku PA 50342715J.
If I can ask you to turn to the correspondence that you have referred to earlier, exhibit X5, that appears on page 5 of the exhibit bundle X, paragraph 3 thereof. There is an exhibit, forensic exhibit number. Does that number accord with the number that appears on the acknowledgement of receipt?
Yes, they do correspond, my lord.
Number ke number eyodwa le eku page 5 nalena eku page 6.
And the particulars of the deliverer?
It's Constable Mosia, Tabo Mosia,
Umuntu owayihambisayo kwakuyena uConstable Thabo Mosia.
And the date?
and the date was the 30th of October 2014.
Kwakungeyi-30 zika-October 2014.
Is there anything else that you wish to add, Mr. Mosia, regarding this matter and your investigation?
No.
Akukho-ke engifisa ukuthi ngikwengeze.
Thank you, Madam. That is all.
Yes, Mr. Arateles.
My Lord, I see it's 11. Can we start after the short adjournment?
It's 11.
Yeah, I see it's 11 now. If you can start after the short adjournment.
When is the short adjournment going to end? At 11:15.
At quarter past, my Lord, it will be okay because I'm also thinking for Mr. Mosia because he's got bad problems, my Lord.
Okay.
Sorry, my
Mr. Mosia, they say
Sorry, my lord. You just want to stop, my lord. As Mr. Mosia indicated, he's going to speak. That's
English.
Sotho. So Mr. Ndlebe will take over.
Oh, so okay.
Sotho saka sakho strategy.
Okay.
Gentlemen.